Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. So as many of you guys would have seen, we purchased the BMW E87 130i in a very rare colour, which is red. Now, as I did say to you, I searched high and low for one of these and I'd been waiting months for one of these to actually come up in the right colour that I actually wanted. And when it actually did come up, it come up, bearing in mind, having everything underneath the hood mechanically sorted and done only last year in October. So therefore, I have a lot of money to invest cosmetically on this car to make it actually look even better than it already does. But I've also not got to focus too much on the engine side because everything's been done, including even the control arms. So this car is literally fully sorted and there's literally nothing to do. So today we're going to be installing a certain thing I always install to all my BMWs, which this one is actually missing. Now, when you guys see it, you actually know mostly all my BMWs you guys see, where my M5, my other E60, my E63, they've all got these apart from my Porsche. So we are going to go ahead and fit them today. So let's get on to the video. So guys, as you'll see, this is the BMW E87 130i. We have the windows down and we're going to be installing a certain thing that, like I said to you, I do install on all my BMWs. So let's not talk anymore and let's get onto it, and I'm going to show you what we're going to be installing. So we're going to be installing these right here, and if many of you guys don't know what these are wind deflectors. Now this is something, as I said to you, I have in all my cars. Usually I get the Team Heco ones, but for some reason I couldn't seem to find them for this E87, so I've had to buy a different brand, which is Edge. Now I don't know who they are, but I suppose it's all the same thing. A wind deflector is a wind deflector. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to fit these. I did do one of these videos 2 years ago when I started YouTube, and it went very, very well. People didn't actually get to see how they actually went on. So therefore, that's why I thought I'd redo this video showing you how the clips go on, because on this BMW, it actually goes on the outside of the clip. So you'll be able to see where I align them and how I position the whole wind deflector. So if you guys want to go ahead and install them, and I will link these in my Amazon link down below, because that's actually where I got these from, which was on Amazon. So I'll link them down below in case you guys want to go and purchase them. And I'll try and link them for all your E60s and E90s as well, just in case you want them. So let's get on to installing them. So before installing the wind deflectors, you're going to want to make sure you've got your clips as well. Now these do come in one of the wind deflectors, usually the one for the rear one, they always come in a packet. Keep these with you at all times because you're going to need these to clip in the wind deflectors to all around the window. We're going to go ahead and be using them. I think they provide 2 for each wind deflector inside the packet. So I'm going to show you where you're meant to position them and get them right. What you're going to want to do as well is try and use silicone around all your windows here to help ease these metal clips go in. So obviously it doesn't break obviously the plastic on the wind deflector as well, because I see a lot of people comment on my videos saying this part broke and now the clip won't hold in, because they show and shove it in the corner when they put the clip in and it ends up snapping. So do silicone it just to make it easier for the wind deflector to go in and obviously the clips to go in. So on here you can see you've got double-sided tape which helps stick them into the windowsill. So we're just going to remove that and you're just going to pick that off, just like that. You're going to have 4 pieces on these ones. These are on the rears you only get 2. On the front you get 4 pieces that it's going to stick to. So you just peel the double-sided tape off on every corner and then you're going to pull it in place. As I said, do make sure your windows are clean before doing this, and will be a bit stiff to go in. Do remember that on some of the cars. Now this car has gone in quite easy, but it doesn't mean it will go in easy on yours. Now you can see here it's in. Now what the clips will do is once the wind deflector's in, the clips will push this out so it actually holds together and sticks properly. So now we've got that wind deflector in, what I'm going to go ahead and do is get the clips. And now you've got to be careful which way these go as well. I'll show you which way they go in a second. I'll just get 2 of them out. I'm just going to use 2. So you want to make sure this arrow is pointing towards the wind deflector coming out this side, and you're going to want to do the same on the other side as well. Now when you pull them in here, you're going to want to use a flat screwdriver to just push them into place to lock in the wind deflector, which I've just done. And I'll show you where they are in a minute. That one's holding in there. Now we're going to put the other one in the downside corner right here on the corner of the window as well. And now once they're in, what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to roll up the window to make sure the clips ain't in the way of stopping the window go up. If they are, you're going to want to roll your windows up very slowly, which you'll watch me do now. So you're just going to see me roll the window up. So I'm just going to do it nice and slowly. Make sure the clips don't catch. Just like that. So then you make sure it locks in. Otherwise the anti-trap feature, what will happen, it will catch on the clips and then it will knock the window back down. So now we can just push it up all together. And just like that, it goes up and back down. And we'll leave this one up, so then that way it can lock into position properly. And we'll move on to the rear window. So the rear window is a little bit easier because obviously you've only got a small window deflector right here. So what we're gonna just do is peel off the sticky tape again, just like that. And we're gonna slot it in. So we're just gonna find it, just like that. You can see there, it goes up. Now we're gonna wanna get our 2 clips. And for this, it's the same thing. In both corners, you wanna clip them to hold the corners in. So we'll just push it up the top here. And then just push that in the corner there. And it'll be the same for here. So you'll get your clip and you'll push it right in the far corner up here. And then once you've got that one in, then you wanna go and do the windows again to roll the window up. You wanna stop the anti-trap and make sure you get it in on its own. Then push it down, then let it roll up. And you can see there, that's all working and functioning. So now we'll move on and do the same on the next 2. So now we're just gonna go ahead and install the driver side one, but as you guys have seen or me already do it. And just like that, that's another one installed. Now we're gonna do the last rear window. So as you can see guys, after they've been fitted, this is how they'll look. I just gave them a clean up to get rid of any fingerprints from touching them. They'll look something like that. And you can also see the other side, how nice it all looks. They look really, really good once they've been put on the car. So if you're in 2 minds about fitting them or not fitting them, I would say to fit them, because they really do make cars stand out by having the wind deflectors on them. A lot of people ain't a fan of them, but I am, and many of you guys know I've got them on all my cars. So this was gonna be no exception. I had to put these on. And there's the final look of the car, guys. That's how they look from the driver's and passenger side. Okay guys, so there you have it. Now I've shown you how to install wind deflectors on your car or your BMW, like I just done there. Now as I said to you, these things are a love-hate thing, and a lot of people do get put off when they see them, thinking the car's a smoker's car, but I just think it makes the car look a lot better and stand out different from the crowd, and it shows you actually care for it as well, especially when it's driving down the road, that it doesn't look like your normal average same 1 series or same 5 series when you're just driving down the road without them, you know, because you're putting money into a car. A lot of people who don't care about their cars won't put these on, or some people just don't like them. But for my purposes, I do like them, and it's something I install to all my cars. I don't know why. I've always had a thing for them, and it's not about smoking in the car or doing anything. It's just the look they give, even with the windows shut, it being tinted. The window deflectors give it that more subtle look, and it makes it look different as well when people see it on the road. So that's one of the reasons why I do like having them on my cars. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and I hope this video will actually help you be able to install wind deflectors on your BMW or any car. I will try and link these in the description below, especially for this car, which is the E87, and I'll also link them for the E60 and E90 if I can find them. Thank you very much for watching, guys. It's BMW Dr. Dean here, and goodbye.